Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me.
Hello everyone, check out this cute little box. Look at this tiny bow with the most untieable ribbon. I have to say that ribbon is awkward. All right, so this is using some new pattern paper called Butterfly Bijou. It's coming in March. You can get your hands on it next month. However, I'm going to share how to make this cute little fold flat with cat hair attached box. Fold flat for creating a head, making a room on your desk, what have you. Yeah. All right. I'm going to make a different colorway today. Here is my scoreboard. I bring out the scoreboard because I find it's easier to score things rather than my trimmer. But if you have a trimmer and that's it, that's all you have, then go ahead and use your trimmer. On the long side, we are scoring at 1/2, 2 1/4, 6 1/4, and 8. Flipping it round to the short side, 1 3/4, 3 1/2, 5 1/4, and 7. Fold and burnish all your score lines. All right, so I'm going to cut up on this score line, and I'm going to wedge on this rectangle. I'm going to cut up on this score line, and I'm going to cut that in the half. Whoops. Try to be straight. And then wedge. I'm going to cut up on this score line. I'm going to remove this whole piece. And then I'm going to cut this in half. I'm going to wedge here and there. And I'm even going to take off that rectangle. All right, so that's what you got. Oh, and I'll take that down just a little bit more so it matches. Perfecto. So we got to do exactly the same thing on this side. All right, kids, that's what you should have. And now I'm going to put the Designer Series paper on. I have chosen the Butterfly Bijou, and we are going to require 4 pieces that are 3 3/4 by 1 1/2. And you could use either side, because that side looks good too. But I really liked these little butterflies. I think they're really adorable. You can fussy cut those out too and place them on projects. It's a great paper. All right, hang on. Let me just double check here. So I think I'll make this the top. So you're going to need one piece that's 1.5 by 1.5. Ta-da! All right, I'm going to use just a little bit of Stampin' Seal Plus. Stampin' Seal is good for cards. I like Stampin' Seal Plus for projects such as this. Oops. All right. Folding that in and folding that in, you get a perfect square. All right, putting the bottom together, fits perfectly. The top together, that fits perfectly. I think I've done this before. All right, I am going to come in with the welcoming window. I have an online class using this lovely stamp set. And if you purchase it before the end of celebration, you get a free celebration item, I think, with this one. Or very close. So, yeah, my Mother's Day is coming up, people. I die cut 2 circles from the layering circle dies. This one is a scallop circle. I don't know if you can see that. It's tiny little scallops too, so it goes really nicely together. And I'm going to use Magenta Madness because I believe, well, that's the cardstock I cut, and I think it's in here as well in the butterfly Bijou. So again, this thank you stamp is from the welcoming window. And then I'll just get a little bit of this Just Jade, which is sort of a jewel tone. And I will go around the thank you, which I think is cute. It adds just a little bit of greenery along that, and it looks lovely. So I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of that. And then I'm going to do this 3 little dimensionals on the back of that. So cute. Which way is up? That way. So nice, not too busy. And I think this is the Magenta Madness ribbon, in color ribbon. I don't know if we have this for sale now. I think we do. Well, anyway, I'm going to tie a little bow with it, and it matches, so I'm using it, even if it might be retired, which I'm not sure. All right. That took a long time to get that bow just right. So cute. I love little bows. All right, you guys, that was the quick little version of a fold flat butterfly Bijou box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in another video. Bye for now.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.